Hey everyone, welcome to my video on Hunter ceiling fan repair. So this is a ceiling fan manual from Hunter. This is one that we have installed in our master bedroom. So you can see the model number there, and this is the name of the model here, and then there's an installation video here. When you're looking for a ceiling fan repair, one of the things that you'll always read, whether it's on this website or another website, is people will recommend to you, okay, make sure you have the original ceiling fan manual that came with the fan, because it's things like this that are extremely helpful. As you can see, they've got installation instructions here, choosing the right installation location, choosing, making sure the angle's correct, and they've got lots of images here to help you along. And then typically you would have so there's a wiring there, right? Very helpful, lots of warnings and diagrams and things of that nature. Assembling the light kit, controlling the fan, etc. Right, and then you've got warranty information here, how to obtain warranty information, what kind of warranty do you have. So any kind of troubleshooting or how to get warranty support and that kind of thing, like, it's always in the manual, right? The manual is like an excellent, go-to source of information. And then if you don't have the manual that came with your fan, you typically just have to figure out what model of fan you have. There's a few different ways to figure that out if you don't know what model you have, because it's hard to find the manual if you don't know the model. So to figure out the model, obviously, you're not going to have the box that came with the fan. Usually on the fan housing, there's a way to determine the model. So there would be, so on the fan housing itself, you can find the model information there. Is usually you can find like the model number or an FCC ID number or some kind of descriptor that you can use to then Google and then get the fan model details. We do have a article on that, so with a step-by-step. So if you're trying to figure out what model you have, because that's a question we get asked sometimes. People are like, hey, I want to find my manual, but I have no idea what model of fan I actually have. So, and it's not as easy for everybody just to go, oh, here's my manual. Well, if you have your manual and you can find the model, then you wouldn't be here trying to figure out what model you have and where your manual is and where to find it. So, if you're trying to figure out what model you have, read our article on that. It'll walk you through that. There's a few different ways to obtain that. I mentioned one of them on the ceiling fan housing, but that article also has pictures and videos and things like that, which are extremely helpful. And worst case scenario, if you can't find your ceiling fan manual anywhere on our website, please do fill out a comment. Just let us know like what ceiling fan you have. If you have no idea what fan you have and you really need help, and you can even send us a picture of your fan. We'll do some searching for you to try and figure out what model you have, and we're happy to help you in that regard. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye-bye.